and today I'm going to check the level of the engine oil because I am about to go to a far place, so I need to check my vehicle's system so that it will not give me trouble on the road. Now let's check it first. Cold. The vehicle hasn't been started yet. It has been sleeping all night. Now if you see that orange thing there, that's the dipstick. The dipstick is our measurement thing for us to see the level of the oil. Now let's get close to it. Okay, so this is the dipstick, and this is the engine oil refill cup. Okay, the cap of course covers the refill hole, so this is where you put the new engine oil. Okay, so much for that. Let's go back to the dipstick. And the dipstick says there engine oil. See, now it depends upon your car. Sometimes there's a second dipstick for the automatic transmission cars. Mine is manual, so I only have one. This is only for the engine. You just pull it out like that, and you would see that this part is filled with oil. Now you can see that my oil is golden brown. This is good. Okay, so all we have to do is to wipe it. Now in every dipstick there are markers. Now in this Toyota Corolla, if you see, there are two dots there. Okay, this dot and that dot. This dot is the low oil level marker. This dot is the high oil level marker. Now ideally your engine oil should sit only just a little below the upper mark, this one, and between the upper and the lower mark will be a good level of oil, but you don't want to get too close to the low mark because it will be very devastating to the engine. So maintain your oil to be just a little above the low mark, but not above the high mark. So it's between high and low, somewhere in between. The good thing when you top up oil is, the good practice when you top up oil is always maintain your oil to be a little close to the high mark. Now let's test again. The dipstick is clean. Okay, so if you can see, my engine oil is too far high. Well, this is understandable because my car has been sitting for all night. So for you to get the correct reading of the level of your engine oil, you have to start the engine first and let it run for at least a minute so that the oil inside the engine will be spread inside the engine, and then let's check the oil again. Okay, so the car has been running for a while and it's now warmed up. It has now reached its normal temperature. Alright, so the car is now nearing the normal temperature. You can see it. So we can now turn off the car and recheck its oil. Okay, so here is now the level of the oil. If you can see, it's now close to the upper line. Alright, so this is an optimal level of oil that my car has. Alright, so that's it. That's the way you check the oil. Now it's time for me to bring back the dipstick. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more of this very simple maintenance videos, then okay, please subscribe to our channel and make this channel grow. And please like this video if you do, and share this to your friends. Thank you for watching.